Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix hanging problem in your this IQ smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First point is never use mobile phones while charging. It will create an issue like heating issue or hanging issue. So first is that point, and second point is that you have to just clean up your storage, and whether these are apps or images, just open the apps, clear unuseful apps and not in use apps, just clear all that apps. Then friends, go to the file manager and you have to clear images, documents that are not in use and not that much important, so you can just clear them all and release some storage. Then friends, you have to update your smartphone from your this, go to settings, then go to about phone, and then friends, if there is an update it will show, and then you can update. It will fix your hanging problem. Then you can restart your device also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.